On the exhale, we're gonna release the opposite leg, keeping your knee towards your chest, the other one, and then we're gonna change in the air. So grab the left, release the right leg. Inhale up, grab and release. Good. Inhale up, tighten your belly and release. Inhale up, hold it, release. One more time on each side and release. Feels so good. And release. Next time that you lift your knees, bring them together, and then release your feet to the ground again. Good. Now we're going to do a somatic flow with the arms, and then we're going to create a beautiful banana. So we're going to start first by bringing the arms to the top. Fingers are pointing to the ceiling. And then we're going to bend your arms, touch your elbows, and we're going to bring elbows to one side of the mat while we turn your head to the opposite side. And then on the inhale, lift elbows and go back to the opposite while you turn your head to the opposite side. Just create this wonderful flow of moving arms and your head gently side to side. One more time to one side, other side. And now bring your arms to the front. So you are looking at your arms and then rest your arms on your belly. Good. And now we're going to go to bring the arms to the top of the head. So we're going to leave your arms and then bring them all the way to the back. Now you need to release your arms a little bit so you have space. Don't force your arms. And then exhale, bring your arms to your belly. Good. Inhale, lift all the way to the back. Exhale towards your belly. One more time. Inhale to the top. Exhale to the belly. And the next time when we inhale, we're going to completely drop the arms on the mat above our head. Release your arms. Just make sure that your arms and your shoulders, everything is resting. Because now we're going to drop one leg to the floor and then other leg to the floor. Nice stretch. But from here, we're going to open the right foot to the side and then let your left foot follow the right. If you can, cross your left foot on top of the right and then move your arms a little bit to the right too. So now we're creating a beautiful arch and a beautiful banana shape on the left side of your body. That's a nice stretch. Take a deep breath here. On the next inhale, release one foot to the center, other foot. Bring your arms to center too. And now we're going to open the left foot to one side, let the right follow, and then cross to create a nice shape on the right side of the body. You can move your arms to the left too, and voila, you have a beautiful banana shape. Feel the stretch on the right side of your body. Keep breathing. On the next inhale, return the shoulders to the center, release your legs, bring the arms to the sides of the body, and then bend your knees and bring them towards your chest again. Just roll again. Nice massage. Good. Other side. And then bring the feet to the ground. Big exhale.